Welcome to Chatgpt AI 5, where we uncover the remarkable capabilities of AI-powered website builders. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today we'll dive into the world of these game-changing tools and their impact on modern web design. Creating a website used to be a daunting task, requiring coding expertise. But now, thanks to AI, it's within everyone's reach. Imagine crafting a professional website in just a few minutes, regardless of your coding knowledge. That's the magic of AI website builders. Let's explore some of the leading AI website builders. Hoku's AI Website Builder simplifies website creation with basic input. Leia AI Website Builder offers customization options tailored to your preferences. Pineapple AI Website Builder provides versatility in defining your website's goals and design. Cleap AI Website Builder allows fine-tuning of every aspect for a personalized touch. The impact of AI in web development is immense. Leading platforms like Wix and 10Web have seamlessly integrated AI website builders into their services, revolutionizing the way websites are created. Looking ahead, AI continues to evolve, promising a future where even beginners can effortlessly craft captivating websites. Thank you for exploring the transformative world of AI website builders with us. Remember to subscribe to Chatgpt AI 5, hit the like button, and click on the notification bell for more insights into the evolving realm of web design.